To remove text from an image like this, here's what you need to do. Inside ChatGPT, select and upload your image with the text that you want to be removed. Now let's go with a simple prompt of asking ChatGPT to remove the text on the image and ensure that the final photo is identical to the initial reference which we have uploaded. So let's wait and see how well ChatGPT removes text from an image. You could see that there isn't a single text that can be seen in the image anymore. So now I'm gonna show you the reference photo which I got from Pinterest. As you can see, it is a meme. So this is good for those people who can find the original template. Just upload and write your prompt, and then in a click, you're good to go. You could see how identical the details and the elements are with the initial photo that we have uploaded. Alright, so now you know how to remove a text from an image like this. Watch this playlist to get more image prompt ideas.